What's going on, guys? So today is Saturday. It's about like 9 something in the morning right now. Today we're gonna try to be working on Julios CRV, which is completely fucked up. His rack and pinion is all tore apart. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing that. I also got my windshield banner in yesterday. I went to go pick it up, and I'm actually gonna do a oil change. Before you guys say, "Hey Steve, why you using cheap oil?" This oil is not that cheap, but the oil from my dad's job is not really cheap. I use it in my Jeep now, and I'm just gonna use this oil for maybe like 2 weeks or a week because I don't really drive the car. I'm gonna just use this oil to clean out the motor so I can put new oil in. Like I usually always use Castro DTX, so that's the oil that I use. But I'm gonna just use this oil to for like a week or two maybe, just to clean out the motor, to put the new oil in. Yeah, I gotta do maintenance on it. I'm gonna do like spark plugs and stuff also. I gotta go pick up an oil filter. I think I had an oil filter here in the back of my Central. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna, yeah, I don't know. It's not even here anymore. I'm gonna head to Advanced Auto real quick. Just pick up a filter and do this oil change. I'll show you guys the banner when I get back to my dad's job. But right now the car is super dirty. Look at that purple. Oh, can't wait for summertime. You guys can see the purple. You see all those scratches? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a whole bunch of scratches. That's when the car cover fell in it, but the car is gonna get fixed again, probably by maybe March or so. I'm gonna take it back to my guy, Harry, which is one of the sponsors of this car. So thanks to him, he takes care of this car all the time. And yeah, and I also ordered the shift boot, the car shift boot, so it can match the door panels, the armrest, and now it's gonna be here. Now I gotta do the sun. I gotta do the roof next. So I'm probably gonna do it like a gray or beige-ish, like this color, like the color of the car, just so it can match. So let's go to Advanced Auto and pick up this oil filter. So I just picked up the oil filter, and right now I'm going to Julio's house right now. I'm just gonna go pick him up because my door. I'm gonna go pick up him because my dad's gonna be a few minutes late. So I'm just gonna go pick him up and we can just drive together over there, just drive local because they can't drive on the highway. They can't turn with the CRV. Like I told you guys, his rack and pinion broke off of where the subframe is at. So like the bolt that goes from the rack and pinion into the subframe literally ripped out with the metal and everything. There's like a hole like that big, and then the other one that gets screwed into the subframe is completely stripped, as you guys saw in a couple videos back. So we have to put like an American-sized bolt, but only one bolt is on it, and that's too much stress for that bolt, so it keeps coming out, which it just came out again. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to probably get a bolt and some big washers, cut out a square in the subframe, pull it open, and then try to put a bolt with washers in the inside with a nut, so everything could be bolted up and hopefully stay there. Because if not, then he's gonna have to just buy a whole new subframe, and yeah, that's a pain in the ass to do. So fingers crossed we could get this fixed today.
Blow money, show money, party money, side hoe money, dope money, new clothes money from shit that I wrote money. So
Julio's gonna be in, but just let the CRV warming up by itself. He's brave. He's real brave. Alright, so we just got to my dad's job. Well, Julio, we made it. Julio was on life support coming over here.
Life support.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna cut the subframe. Hopefully put a nut through it.
Both cuts on both sides. You see the other one, you can see the other screw is right there. Well, where it's supposed to be the other screw.
And I feel like
that top of that hole and that nut in the washer thing is already right there. So if we put another nut in where we make a hole, that one will hold.
you don't think on the bottom will be?
Where the freaking food go?
Huh?
Where are you gonna put? Right there on top of that?
You gotta make sure. You gotta see. There's a windshield banner that I picked up yesterday. One of my first designs, so I like it a lot. It basically has a YouTube logo with like metallic, I don't know, red. Then it says my name in Japanese. I don't know what font it is, but it's a Japanese font. So I gotta take off the downstar one and then put that one like up there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa, you look good with it.
I'm over here chilling too.
So we cut it right there. We're just gonna lift it up from right here up, and then from the bottom, we'll just put the screw. It'll basically be like this. We just put some washers and a nut, and hopefully the rack will be able to hold up from the main bolt right there. That one will be fine. Yeah. So we basically just put the hole, and now it'll be right here. You guys can see. Now we can just put a nut with a bolt, some washers, and we'll be good. So Julio tried the square washer and he lost inside the subframe. Alright, so update. We got washers and a bolt to fit. So now we're gonna tighten it, but you guys remember this one is the one that's stripped on the inside of the subframe. So we have to also try to fix this one also. Good day? So we just ended up threading the inside of it, well, trying to thread it, so let's see if it'll work. So while working in the car, the mail lady came and dropped off my clutch pad. So got a new clutch pad. I'm gonna clean up the clutch maybe, I don't know, after I do this oil change and do my banner and stuff, I might go ahead and clean off the clutch today. I'm not sure. We're still working on Julio's car right now, so, but boom, brand new pad. The other pad that I have, literally the meat is like almost the same exact thing. It's just been used and it had little like ceramic chips on it, which is normal when you know, drive a car, and on these clutches it's normal. So but yeah, so Julio, next week possibly be doing this.
Guess so, blah.
It's here. So Julio's car is done, doing an oil change. I went next door over there to see my boy, well, doing an oil change right now. Julio, you happy? You happy? So both of them, we had to cut subframes on both sides for both boats. It got tight. And yeah, so let's see, let's finish this oil change and then put this banner on. And hopefully we have enough time. I'll take you guys next door to my friend Adriel. He has the EK with the fully built LSV. Well, not anymore. It's still fully built, but he changed the setup. And meet Spanky the builder, which is going to be building my motor. Not this year, maybe in the end of the year. Let's see.
Yeah, right.
That's not Jesus, that shit is gnarly.
Yo, that shit is the size of your head. Look at this.
I said a 2000 SI. Yo, it better be that.
It's all the same, my nigga.
Huh?
It's all the same.
Alright, so oil change is done. I know you guys are gonna talk shit because I got oil from here, from my dad's job. The oil is not really that bad. And I'm only gonna use it for about 2 weeks. I'm just gonna clean out the motor, and then I'm gonna do a full tune-up. I'm gonna do new oil, spark plugs, and I'm gonna do Honda antifreeze. So yeah, this is basically just to clean out the motor. Julio's retightening it because when they put it down, it got loose again. Did it get tight a little bit? Did it get a little bit more tight or no?
Yeah, it got a little bit more tight, but what it was is when you put the force on the wheels, the rack just started moving with it.
So we're gonna try to tighten a little bit more. Hopefully it tightens good. Just gotta put this banner on after, and yeah, probably head over to literally like right next door to my boy Spanky and Adrian. So alright, so I just laid my side down. We'll just lay his side down. We're working on that side first, and then on this side. So far, it's looking good. So we just put the banner on. We're just doing the final touches. Looks good. The only thing right here, it came with like a mark. You guys can see, look like the sticker was maybe folded by accident before, but nothing in of the world. But besides that, I'm digging it. Matte black with the gray. YouTube logo. It's like metallic or whatever that is. Looks real good. Alright, so we finished with my car. Julios see how we finished. He changed the wheels. Finally got rid of the nasty TL wheels and got those. He said the car drives fine. But now we're about to go to my friend's garage, literally like a couple steps away, and see his new motor he's building. I don't know if you guys remember, well, I'm pretty sure you guys remember the EK coupe, black one that made like 5 and some change with the fully built LSV. He spun a bearing, so it burned the rod, so he's just doing a completely new setup, so we're about to check it out. This is the motor right here. You can't really see much, but just got finished. Literally, a few minutes ago, he loaded up in the car. It's fully built from bottom to top. See if maybe he could come over and tell you guys exactly what he did to it, but it's a fully built LSV. Literally, every single thing on this thing is built. Alright, well, you gotta tell everybody what this is.
Yeah, tell him to come and tell you.
Yo, Spanky. So you gotta tell everybody what this is.
It's a H22 turbo.
Fully built, right?
Custom manifold, custom intercooler. Everything in it is custom. This is a project that's been sitting for about 8 years already.
8 years?
Yeah. I used to have it in a coupe. I used to have a white coupe that I used to race in the street all the time. Then I messed up the motor. I redid the motor. That motor's been, I've done that motor over 3 times already. So this, you know, when I redid it now, I was like, fuck it, I'm going straight track. Monetized. And then I did everything. Custom 12-to-1 turbo piston.
See that turbo? Jeez.
Car has a roll cage, parachute, everything.
But you never took this setup down the track, right? Never?
Because this is a new shell. Everything is new. The motor is my original motor. But everything's new because like I said, I had a coupe. The radiator support on the coupe was messed up. So I was like, you know what? I want to change shells. I wanted to get another coupe, but I couldn't find one. And I had found this one for like 25, the shell, at that time. I brought them down to like $2 grand, and then I bought it. Like the 3-piece front is off my brother's car, because we went a different route. We went with the Franks, so I took this one and put it on this car. It's nice.
No, the car is nice. I like this.
I just
see the fake fog lights. Nah, but if there's one motor I like that I know takes an abuse, is H motors.
Yo, I love H motors. I love all motors.
This thing
everything is like, if you put the time into it, fucking.
Man, I know people that run stock blocks just pissing the rods, and these shits hold up so much pounds of boost.
Knife edge crank balance. This motor right now, the way it's set up, that I have it set up, it's set up for like 1,200 horsepower.
Alright, so we're done. About to go home. That's Spanky, the guy, is gonna be building my motor soon.
You're gonna say soon if you said a year, motherfucker. That's not soon.
But I'm alright. Okay, in a year, he's gonna build my motor in a year, cause I'm gonna start gathering parts for the. I'm gonna be gathering parts for the motor. I'm gonna do LSV with a full head package. So it should be fun. But yeah, let me go inside and warm up this car. Stopped right here. Highland Park by my house, just to see how the car looks with the banner and everything, and I'm literally loving it. The colors I chose are amazing. Like, it's so good. Flat black with the, it's white, but it's like gray also. So I didn't want nothing to get like really dirty. And then the YouTube sign, the YouTube logo, how it has like the red metallic in it. This thing just looks so good. So yeah, guys, literally gonna head home. So if I don't close out this video, just know because I'm off my daughter. Well, I'm tired, but yeah, just so you guys know, maybe next year is when I'm gonna be probably doing LSV full head package on turbo, well, on boost obviously. Yeah, so I'm aiming probably for like, I'm gonna just keep it at conservative, like, you know, like drivability, reliability, because I go far. So maybe like 380, 400 or around there. I'm pump gas, I'm not doing 85. So even anything lower than that, I'm okay with. I just want drivability and stuff like that, you know. Or maybe, who knows, maybe I'll keep this one and do a head package on this one. Who knows? I know if I do a head package on this thing will definitely make some good jam. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, and stay tuned for maybe next week. I might be doing my clutch next week, hopefully, if everything goes as planned. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, build to enjoy. Until next time, guys, peace.